To answer to your question, I think we have to remind that historically Michelin is involved in sustainability of transportation. And at first, the two key points for improving sustainability of transport, of mobility, was to deliver products that are really good for the usage phase, reducing wear, reducing rolling resistance, reducing CO2 emissions. And historically too, we were involved to reuse as far as we can the product we have produced by making retread of tires, producing products that last, that have long-lasting performances. And now we close the loop, in fact, for today by involving us since 2 to 3 years in two aspects, recycling and bio-based materials. And being here and sharing with all other partners at EFIB on this area does correspond to this strategic point to involve us in recycling and in bio-based product. We have a high ambition in this domain. We want to really to change the game. In fact, our ambition long term is to have 80% of our raw materials coming from sustainable sources. That means today we are close to 26 to 28%, and our ambition is to be at 80%. With two main streams, one from recycling materials that will go up to 30%, something like that. And the second one is bio-based materials. As you know, EVA is the main one we have today in our product, and our target is to go to 50%. So the amount will be 80% long term. I think we all have to keep in mind that bio-based is not a value in itself. We need to propose to our customers and to the value chain an additional value. We need more bio performance than bio-based. Bio-based is a first step, but if we want to motivate all the value chain, we need to propose new performance, new added value, thanks to the bio-based value chains. EFIB, it's my first time at EFIB, and I really appreciate that we have a lot of partners exchanging together with really different competencies, trying to solve a global environmental issue. And I see a lot of lust, a lot of cooperation, and a lot of high quality exchange to tackle this issue. So it's a good place to be to try to find the right solution to these issues.